In this video, we will explain what an invoice is and what typical elements it contains. An invoice is a financial document issued by a seller to a buyer. It confirms that goods or services have been delivered and specifies how much the buyer must pay and under what conditions. Invoices are used in everyday business transactions and play a key role in accounting, taxation, and payment tracking. Now let's take a look at a typical invoice and its main elements. Element 1. Header and references. The header contains basic invoice identification information. This usually includes the issue date, which shows when the invoice was created. It also includes the invoice number, which must be unique and allows the document to be tracked. Optionally, the header may include a customer purchase order reference, linking the invoice to a specific order. Element 2. Purchaser data, also called customer data. This section defines who will be billed. It includes the purchaser or customer name. It also contains the purchaser address. Additionally, purchaser contact information is provided, such as a telephone number and/or an email address. This information clearly identifies the buyer. Element 3. Issuer data, also called provider data. This section identifies the company issuing the invoice. It includes the provider or company name. It also lists the provider address. Provider contact details are included as well, such as telephone number or email address. This data confirms who is requesting payment. Element 4. Products and invoice details. This is the main part of the invoice. It describes what was purchased. Typical information includes product or service details such as item number. If applicable, it may also include revision level, especially for engineering products. The product or service name or description is listed. The item quantity is shown, along with the unit price. Finally, the total price for each line item is calculated. Element 5. Balance and summary. This section summarizes the financial values of the invoice. It usually includes the subtotal value, shown in a specific currency, for example euro. The applicable tax rate is listed. The tax total value is calculated. If applicable, discounts or other charges are shown. Finally, the total invoice value is displayed, representing the full amount to be paid. Element 6. Conditions. This section defines payment information, terms, and conditions. It may include payment methods such as bank transfer or online payment. For example, bank account, PLO 1111111111, Polski Bank. Or PayPal, payments@company.com. Payment due dates and additional terms are often included here. Element 7. Authorization. The authorization section indicates who issued or approved the invoice. This may include a name, signature, or company stamp. It confirms that the invoice is officially valid. Benefits of using invoices include providing legal proof of sale, supporting accurate accounting and tax reporting, helping track payments and outstanding balances, ensuring transparency between seller and buyer, protecting both parties in case of disputes. Because of these reasons, invoices are extremely important for every business transaction. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more business and educational content.